Our footsteps are a journey, leading us through various challenges, in order to give pride to Indonesia. PTPP Persero, established since 1953, which grew with the nation with monumental works in Indonesia. Committed to be at the forefront of construction and investment, we strive to continue to develop and give pride to the nation and earn the trust of international countries. Currently PTPP Persero through the Infra 1 division is trusted and given the task of completing first phase of Cluster 1 land grading project of Batang Integrated Industrial Estate. The Batang Integrated Industrial Estate land grading project, which was carried out by PTPP Persero Infra 1 division, became one of the mega projects with national strategic project status. The Batang Integrated Industrial Estate is located in Batang Regency, an autonomous region under the province of Central Java. The Batang Integrated Industrial Estate is located on the main route connecting the two cities with the largest industrial activity on the island of Java. With the Trans-Java Toll Road, the development of a railway station, and later a dry port will also be built. This position is one of the advantages of the Batang city area as an economic route on the north side of Java Island. Running alongside the COVID-19 pandemic, the construction will continue to be carried out with strict health protocol procedures, with supervision from the project HSE team and mutual awareness of each individual in the project. The Batang Integrated Industrial Estate Land Grading Project is a project with a large volume of earthwork, reaching 6 million cubic meters, with a short project duration, only 275 calendar days. The project location is divided into 3 zones, each of which is separated by a river valley, limiting the movement of heavy equipment and transportation of excavated and embankment materials. The engineering team and the field team continue to innovate. Hundreds of heavy equipment are deployed. The goal is only one: how the project can be completed on target. Acceleration of work balanced with good quality control will maintain the quality and specifications of the work. For design purposes, topographic data of 450 hectares is required. Topographic data obtained using lidar where the results can be displayed and processed using AUTODESK recap. The grading design is made in such a way that the volume of earthworks in the area as a whole and in each zone is balanced between the cut volume and fill volume, thus minimizing the activity of vehicles entering and leaving the area, as well as minimizing the transfer of heavy equipment and materials between work zones that are difficult to access. Iteration of the grading design can be done quickly using Autodesk InfraWorks. The design options obtained are compared with each other to obtain the most optimal design in accordance with the criteria that require minimizing the cut and fill volume surplus or deficit, making any design changes made to a plot have an effect on the overall cut and fill volume balance. This condition makes the speed of making comparison designs very vital in designing the grading of the Batang Integrated Industrial Estate. The conceptual design of InfraWorks was then detailed with Autodesk Civil 3D. With a large volume of earthworks and limited by a short duration of work, an efficient method of dividing the work area and equipment fleet is needed. For each equipment fleet, one area with a balanced volume of work is provided so that the movement of heavy equipment can be easily regulated. Besides that, the volume distribution must also be ensured to minimize progress linkages between one location and another so that delays in one location do not cause a domino effect on work delays. The division of this work area can be calculated quickly using the volume dashboard on Autodesk Civil 3D. Drawings in the form of cross-sections can be produced quickly using Autodesk Civil 3D cross-sections, and their volumes can be calculated quickly. Even though there are changes to the grading design in Zone 3 and Zone 2, the process can be done quickly using Autodesk software and workflows so that it does not interfere with work in the field. The design changes in this project include: the first, adjustment of the edge of the Zone 2 plot because the initial design was too close to the slopes and railroad tracks. The second, the addition of plots in Zone 1. And the third, design changes in Zone 3 when the grading work in the zone was already underway. The Batang Integrated Industrial Estate Grading Project is a project with a major item of earthwork with a very large volume that must be completed in a short time. The use of AUTODESK technology in each workflow is very helpful in dealing with the challenges that arise in this project.